Hello everyone, let me show you the original 𝐍𝐼𝐷 hair. This is 𝐍𝐼𝐷 hair. It's the texture not by steam process. It came from natural condition. Everything about us was cut from $1 and 100 grams per bud. We guarantee this is 100% human hair and never been processed by any chemicals. So this hair is health and the natural condition. They keep all the natural luster, you can see. The other features of 𝐍𝐼𝐷 hair is this hair is very soft and very easy to maintain, to bleach any color as you like. That's why the purest 𝐍𝐼𝐷 hair is popular in the top society in the world long time. If you want this hair, please go to my website www.mayflowerhair.com and choose my 𝐍𝐼𝐷 collection. Thank you.